Ayan, share lang po natin our Lazada haul. So this one, there's a donation drive sa office, no, for one of our co-employees na nagkaroon ng medical challenge yung husband niya. So medyo siguro malaki yung financial assistance niya kasi it's parang brain surgery ba yan yung nangyari sa kanya. So he is undergoing physical therapy. So may kailangan niya pa ng funds. So we bought groceries para sa donation drive for her husband. 10 groceries lahat yung binili natin. So, it's a bracelet groceries. Yan. Yan. So may prayer siya. So we bought one rosary for the donation drive is $199. So we bought 10. So 2,000 pesos siya, di ba? So sana makatulong yung ating donation. So ito, yung 5 is for us. Yan. 5 is our donation. Tapos, nag-solicit tayo kay my brother, Beck. Thank you, Beck. Ibigay natin yung dalawa sa kanya. And then, yung 3 kay Popsy. And you can give it as a gift during this Christmas. Yan po. So, we have 10 groceries for our donation. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.